Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's check the difference between Catia and NX. Let's start. Oh, so this is a model. You can observe the model. Okay. Okay. So let me create in Catia first. Go to part design. I'll pick a plane. Okay. Before that, let's understand about drawing. So this is a front view. So front view, I have to create this profile first. Overall 50, 35. I select the plane of YZ direction. So I go for sketch. I'll pick up a tool called profile. So yes. So let me give a length for 50. I created roughly, you can see this. Okay. And so here the width is almost 12 mm and top width is also a 12 mm. So I'll just connect it like this. Okay, let's give the parameter for this. I give a constraint 35 mm, 35, and this length is 50 mm. Create it for 50. Right. So here it is 12 mm. And one more 12. Once again I provide the dimension 12 mm at top. So you can see the overall it has been plotted, but there is one dimension missing. So I create this dimension as 15 mm. Right? Done. So exit workbench. I pad it. So what is the width? It's almost 40 mm. I mirror extend, make it 20, it becomes 40. Okay. For overall 6 mm dimension, I have to create a angular line. So I'll select the plane. I go for sketch. I'll select the profile. Right. So now I create a constraint which is called coincidence. So it will follow the line. So here I give a dimension of 6 mm. So I give a dimension with respect to this plane as 6 mm. It is correct. Next. Exit workbench. And here there is a 3D element which is called reference element. I can pick the line and I create in 3D space. So this is how the profile looks like. Here I need to cut this part. So what I do, I need to cut. If I select a pocket option in Catia, basically you can see it is not picking up, only a line it just picks. So I need to join this together. I go for option, I go for a workbench called surface. In operation there is an option called join. I made it join, say it done. So here you can see in specification tree, you can see, so it has been joined. Now I make it pocket. Okay, so yes, so this is how the model is done in Catia. Right. So let's check the difference. Let me show you the same model using a software called NX. Okay, so in this workbench I select a plane. Yeah, I create a profile. So this is how the profile looks like. Now I give a dimension of overall 50 mm, 12 mm. I'll give a width of 15 mm. It is not mentioned, but still I give it for making it complete constraint. I give a height of 35 and a width of 12 mm, and this dimension it is almost 12. Done. So this is a 2D profile. Close it. Now I finish the sketch. I'll create it 3D. I'll make it extrude. So here you have an option of making it symmetrical value. Distance of 20, symmetrical it becomes 40. Right. So I hide the sketch. I'll create the same kind of profile right here. So here I adjust this to a screen, so kindly just press F8 in NX. I give a parameter from end to end, it is 6 mm. So top view, here I make a sketch. So after making a sketch, just exit, or there it is a finish sketch. You have a option of finishing a sketch, then select the plane, then create all. Right now I rotate it, I fit it for screen, I pick the profile, I connect all the three. So this is how the closed profile looks like. Finish the sketch. Here I'll pick all the 3 lines for the sketch. You can see this is how the model looks in NX. In Boolean you have an option called subtract the model. This is the subtraction. So you can see this is how the model looks like in NX. So guys, in this video both the software has its own speciality, features, parameter and so on. These two software are unique in its own way, and this video doesn't completely justify which is a better or which is best. What do you guys think? Feel free to put your comments in the comment section below. Signing off, Team IDI.